Hey guys, welcome to Idaho Dual Sport. Hope you have all been doing very well this summer. I have been making some upgrades to the bike lately. I haven't done any videos on it because they're pretty simple upgrades. I added a rotor to the front. It's a Warp 9 320 millimeter rotor, and then I added a new rotor to the back, and I just did that within the last month. But today I have a special upgrade for us that I'm really excited about. Today I have with me a Leo Vinci X3 exhaust pipe that I'm going to be putting on the KLR. So I want to do just a little before and after. It's just a slip-on exhaust, so I think the install is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of taking off the plastic and taking off the old muffler, slipping this one on, tightening everything down. It's not really anything that I care to do a tutorial on, so I'm just going to do a little before and after, and we'll see how it sounds. The stock muffler versus the Leo Vinci X3. Let's take a look. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up here. It hasn't been started in a while, so it's probably going to be a bit of a cold start here. We'll see. Hey, not bad. Rear brake reservoir needs to come off. I'm just winging it so far. That's not a 13. That must be a 12. There's another 13, a 14, a 15. Or is that 12? What's this? 11, 12. All right. I know what you guys are wondering. How's he getting that incredible audio? That is so good. I am using a Rode Link Filmmaker kit. Wireless mic system. And so far I really like it. It's good quality. I really need to invest in some power tools. I've been using hand tools for a long time. I went down to buy a DeWalt impact wrench the other day, and it was fair price. It was like $160 or something, 400 foot-pounds. And then I realized it didn't come with a battery. I didn't know that it's like a system that you buy, and once you have, you know, the batteries and the charger, they work on all the tools. Pretty cool. Wow, that's heavy. Holy cow. Let's see what the new one weighs. Let's get this Leo Vinci out. So, the US rep, I think I met him yesterday at Happy Trails. I think his name was Manny. Sorry if I messed up your name there. But he was saying it's pronounced Leo Vinci. We've been calling it Leo Vinci. Some more hardware. Some different tips. Here's the pipe. Here's some instructions. It says informazioni tecnici. And the US guy for Leo Vinci said in Italy they say it Leo Vinci. Leo Vinci. That's sick. Sounds good.